Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn interest on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to actually go and open the Coinbase application, then click as get started to create your account. Of course, if it's your first time opening the application, you, as I said, just go and create your account. But if it's not your first time, or if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So sorry, let me just go here and open my Coinbase application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So let's wait just until it's actually load, and from here actually you'll find your main or your home screen on Coinbase application. So of course, if you want to earn interest from Coinbase application, you can actually earn rewards simply by buying and holding dollar pegged stable coin like DIAI and USD, of course, coin, which is USDC. Of course, as of June 2021, you can earn 2% API reward by simply holding DAI, which is, of course, again, DAI in your Coinbase account, and you can also earn 0.15% API for holding USD coin, and can earn even more via USDC lending. Of course, you can hold that the USDC as well, and you will even have some interest to earn if you hold it, of course, which is the 0%, not zero, it's not zero, 0.15% API. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.